Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make your post private on Instagram. So let's get started. First, open up Instagram. Click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now, you're gonna click on the three lines at the top right corner. From here, you're going to scroll down until you see Limit Interactions. Just click on it. Then all you have to do is hit Turn On. Here you'll be able to change what will be limited, who will be limited, and when we'll remind you to turn this off. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.